Yes, my people. We don't come again today na voice of Biafra. The person wey dey hear his voice na Nnabike Nadede. And we dey thank people wey call us for our last program. We thank una well well because we no fit mention una name una plenty too much. Some people even advise us, some encourage us, and we get people wey too dey short. No dey rest. You just see wetin dey happen for our YouTube page. Sometimes insult. We know the verse because of insult. The laugh we dey laugh. Because we understand say any person wey no insult he go use discourse and dialogue, and we know say that ignorant person be that one. But today topic na about this movie wey dey everywhere now, Lionheart. This movie wey dey everywhere, wey everybody talk about, Lionheart, wey Genevieve Nnaji with other people write. Pete Edochie dey there, Onyeka Onwenu dey there, Osuofia. Hi, even our guy, if you know, dey there. Hi, the movie, the production fine. People talk about am. Even Netflix don buy am for $3 million. Oh boy, Genevieve her sister don make am. Oh, na sweet, na good news with that. But we wan talk about this movie. E don tey we wan talk to Nollywood people. E don tey. You know wetin we dey talk for Igbo? Asị, ọ dị oge oge eburu nkata n'ihu gwa eze okwu. E get where e go reach. You go carry basket to cover your face, talk to king. Nollywood don be king because they don try. But e get areas wey dem dey mess up. They don try employ a lot of people, create a job for our land, they don try. But e get area wey we wan talk because of this Lionheart movie. Wey our sister write, follow write, produce, Genevieve Nnaji. Na we wan talk about. When the movie dey start, I come see the scene as if dem dey cover Enugu. They dey show the poverty. Because now from air you go see how poor Nigeria dey, rotten roof, rotten zinc wey dey everywhere. I dey look. Because me, if I dey watch Nollywood, only comedy. Other ones I no dey watch am because of embarrassment wey Nollywood don bring for Igbo culture. They don mess up Igbo culture with wetin dem dey add ritual na wetin just pursue me only. But this one, as people promote am, say I go watch. Well, when I dey watch, I come see that scene where they talk to those Agboro. They tell them say make dem behave like Nigerians. You know, we are civilized, all those kind of things. You know? Now I see too well. Say, Nigeria, civilized. I say, I remember say 2019 election day. I say, but make I dey watch this movie. Because when somebody they do film, they promote Nigeria as civilized people. I know because I know so many of them, but we get to face reality because president of Nigeria, now they insult Nigeria, they call them thief, they call them everything. Army, they beat people anyhow, they kill people anyhow. So me, I see the film say, well, they want package Nigeria. I say, no wahala. But as the movie they go. I come they see because when they watch movie, no be to entertainment alone. They look for wetin they call subliminal messages. Wetin they hide inside this movie. Because those things now go enter into your subconscious. Now they enter into people's subconscious. Because for Nigeria, it gets a lot of stereotype against the Igbo people. Some of those stereotypes are false, exaggerated. Igbo like money. Igbo they do ritual. Igbo they do 419. Igbo they do this. Igbo, but if you look all these things, all the people who don't thief money for Nigeria, Abacha, Babangida them, Buhari them, Obasanjo them. I don't know, they know people. But when you watch Nollywood, they see all those things. So when I watch this movie, come see this Lionheart transport where they do well. Come see the other chief Ernest Obiago. wey be kanayo wey dey drag contract, they wan buy over, they come see that struggle. If for say in this movie na totally 100% Igbo, I for no worry. But this movie na cross cultural or cross ethnic movie wey Igbo and Hausa dey. So my interest for this movie, I wan know where they put Igbo people. So when I see these two Igbo people, they drag, so they Chief Ernest, they wish Lionheart death, even when Chief Ernest is alive. Even when Lionheart die alive, Chief Ernest, they say they send them condolences. Just understand the kind of message the thing they pass. How Igbo love money when so they wish themselves death. But they follow the movie, they go. This people, this company now, Lionheart can't get financial crisis. So they come, they hustle for where they go get money. So I did for that movie, we be Genevieve. Come go meet a man where he be no. It can't be P-Square. I think Peter, one of them, no, the one where he be. Now very massive house where they live. Swimming pool, they people, they full, beautiful house. As they can't go, they go there with his uncle. Will be Nkemowo now. As they enter, P-Square will be which name will be the answer for that day arrange. Come the promise tell Genevieve saying go give him a days and I go give him 500 million so that he go help them offset the debt where they owe. But make it just so that make it bring drink for her. Meanwhile, for that house, they do 419. Igbo people. They do 419. And who they want to do for the 419? Now someone where they call him, hi, I won't cry. I say, why? Who put that? Who write this particular part for this movie? Who put this scene? Which kind of message you they send to people? Say if you see a young Igbo man where they do well, where live in a palatial place, get swimming pool, get everything, say na fraud they do. You forget say Igbo people they successful in every area. Say that kind of be footballer. Why not make him as a footballer? Why not even make it be real P-Square will be musician? Because for there just they play organ, they play the thing they go. Why not introduce put them there as Peter or as Paul? Where you go meet a successful musician to borrow money from her? Why must you create that kind of scene where be say go they give people employment? This because when they talk now the subliminal message where the messages where on put for a movie, where on the art. Because now the nonsense why they see for Hollywood, the way where they portray people as occult people, ritual people, fraud people, every bad thing, every stereotype when Nigeria they promote, now waiting on they put for on a movie. Use the film industries to save the Igbo race. Because any group of people where they control the movie industry can never be marginalized in their place. Hollywood follow the kill Igbo. Because some of the things where they project for their movie, Igbo no they united, Igbo no. Okay, make we even they go for this movie. At the end of the day, two Igbo people want defraud Hamza Awosama for this arrange the house, will be P-Square house. Now they do the city the job, the 419, now they do. To create impression, Igbo they do 419. They want it our. You know, if you use their movie, they tell the world how they collect our oil, our resources, kill all our industries, destroy the whole road, nothing they work. So that we could get sympathy. People where they hate, we are the most hated people in Nigeria, whether you like it or not, because of stereotype, bias, and other things. For now, movie go use change those things. Now, waiting Jews will use Hollywood to do. Hollywood, where they see, now destroy communism. Because in every movie, a communist from Russia or from China will be terrorists. So for subliminal message, the people just they begin to hate communism. For this movie, you can't present Igbo. Yes, Oswafia can't save them come save the Hausa man. But why you no carry Lebanese put there? Make it be like say na Lebanese want defraud Hausa man, Igbo man come save the Lebanese. Why no put Oyibo man? Because no, but what the Oyibo they do us for Hollywood. Why not even put Chinese man there? Say two Chinese come to want defraud Hausa man, Igbo man come save them. Now, so if we go promote your own ethnic group, not to bring them down, that are fraudsters, that are interested in money. So I can't see say this Lionheart is a very dangerous movie. It's an anti-Igbo movie. It's a pro-Buhari movie. Now, if you watch the movie, you understand. Igbo, this woman now will go meet P Square at days. As P Square go to bring drink for him, she don't run come out. Come drop another subliminal message. Probably P Square go bring drink, it go don't put something for the drink. Will be say maybe if he sleep, if it rape am. Somebody will promise to give you 500 million. You just leave and discharge, carry your uncle na waka. Drop that subliminal message there. So no Igbo person no fit help that company. The other Igbo man, Chief Ernest, they too greedy. That is lifestyle of Igbo people. Then they fight themselves. The one will compare me finally for the movie. For this company, Lionheart will want food, will get all this problem. Finally, one motor company where they can't enter plane, go Kano. Go meet Alhaji for Kano. This Alhaji for Kano, now I come save this company now. Them and this company come match. Igbo people no fit save this company because they too greedy. They won't buy over the company. The other Igbo man will promise 500 million na fraudster. It's Igbo man you cannot trust. Finally, na for Kano, na for our place, we can say business of Igbo man. Which story, which message is the pass? I can't see how in the package, even the organization, the BRUT, will be the organization will promise them contract, the state parastatal. When they go meet the director of the man, where tell them say no, they no go proceed. He can't promote EFCC there. Say EFCC to investigate them. You know, so you just they give the impression that this government is working. They are fighting corruption. The BRUT director can't talk one useless nonsense when talk for the movie. He say, this is the change we believe in. This is the change we believe in. That's Buhari's change. A government that has brought agony, we don't bring agony to our land. As they slaughter our people in the name of their fighting Biafran people. IPOB. They choke for army, slaughter our people. Police, they harass our people for roads. EFCC, we know the investigation where the APC. If you thief, you join APC, you don't become sent. Neither they promote for this movie. They might come. If you see how they put the thing, if you no get eyes, no be these two eyes that they talk, the inner eyes, the mind, because now that one they use the see. You no go notice how dangerous that movie is. The man say this is the change. We are looking for this kind of change. Change of poverty. I don't know how much they pay them, Genevieve, them and all of the rest for that movie. But when I come take my time, I say, who write this movie? I can't see Genevieve. Can't see Chini Onwebola. See CJ Obas. Then I can't see two northern people now. Isha Yabako and Emily Garoba. I say, okay. The question, who put those lines? Because we Igbo people, sometimes we think say we dey too smart. Especially for this Nollywood industry. You add a movie where people were demeaned in the movie. They bring Igbo people down for, you know, you where at them, no notice them. You don't notice them. But they don't project you, your people, Igbo people, as fraudsters. They don't project you people as greedy people. Who will greedy pass Igbo land for Nigeria? Who will greedy pass? People, they thief money, carry all your blood, allocate to themselves. Yet they call us greedy people. For that movie, you don't present your people as people that should not be trusted. Because when their days enter, arrange the house, arrange, they say, oh, you loot things and all those things, keep them, say, make it bring drink. You walk out. You know the impression you create, I don't trust this guy. This guy will say, you give me 500 million. Oh, even ask him, you mean there's 500 million lying somewhere? You mean you can? You are sending dangerous message. Anybody where they watch this thing, send this message to our sister Genevieve and other writers. No, they bring your ethnic group down. I don't know how much federal government pay on to promote this useless Buhari government for that on a movie. But waiting pay, if for someone just promote only Nigeria, if you know, I for no day about that. But I'm Igbo man. Some people even call me, they insult me for this because I don't they used to insult. But as long as you bring Igbo in, as long as you bring Biafra in, me Nabike Naned, we here for Voice of Biafra, we will come out to defend our own ancestors, to defend our own identity, to defend that. With this thing what we they call fraud, or you go do fraud past black people. UK do fraud past Nigeria. America do fraud past Nigeria. But the Mumu journalists them and the so-called Nollywood writers, producers, they never get mind to understand this thing. Because now then they promote all this madness. With the federal government, now your president come here, they call Nigerians thieves. Then you want to package a rotten country. Where the people, where the ruler, no one make them better. You want package them. Come on, behave like Nigerians. You are civilized, go and come back. Nigeria. Who they civilize? Buhari, or military, or the governors, or the civil, or the senators, where they loot everywhere. So my people, we want to send this message because Bollywood know they disgrace their culture the way Nollywood they disgrace Igbo culture. Go, you get one movie, Coco. If you see how they package Indian culture, if you see how they package reincarnation there, my brother. Now for Nollywood, why I go see a whole Ezemo Dibe. Pastor go lay hand on Ezemo, cast demon from Ezemo. Ezemo can become born again. How dare you act such nonsense? You know who be Ezemo? You know who be Nze? You know who be Dibe? When they go mark your tongue, you will no longer lie again. You will no longer be involved in evil. So our own God, spirits, and demons, the religion we both will bring on and the angel they bring, so don't go cast the spirit out. I beg, make una stop this stupidity. Make una stop this man. Stop all this yeye nonsense one and the art. If una no get anything to art, anybody where they write, if ritual they there, no write again. We no want see ritual again. If insulting Igbo people they there, we no want see them again. Use Nollywood, promote us, promote Igbo. Promote Igbo culture, real Igbo culture. Go do research well. Most of the things when they even the so-called dressing of our ancestors na bullshit, na nonsense. Make una know two verse. Say this man they criticize people too much. No. We dey praise una now. Una don't create job, but you get this area where una don't fair woefully. And I won't tell una say make una change how una they write. Some people go say, why you no go the art? Why you no go do the right? My brother, no be my profession, no. It be like say if I criticize somebody, say you see open net, footballer, you know if he score. You say why no go play? I be footballer. So my people, we don't try for this thing. We don't talk to our people. Make una know how una they package our people. Because make una know they destroy the image of our Ndi Igbo in the name of making money. And no be everything no be money. Nollywood, everything no be money. If one of the act movie, any of this cross ethnic movie where it go be Igbo and Yoruba or Igbo and Hausa, present Igbo well. Like we say in Igbo, onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche. if people they lie against you, say you be thief, if meanwhile I don't the thief your thing, you can't go the art movie, they promote yourself as thief. What do they do? Because perception in movie industry and reality, in media perception to na reality. So know what you they promote. No two verse for us, because we get to tell you, it go pay you now, but when you sleep, think about that. You go no say na good thing I talk to you. So we go now here we go stop today. Next time we will talk about other things, especially this ritual issue. We go put hand there because you get a lot of things will happen before December, a lot of things. So we go stop here. Thank you for watching. Wanna try well. Wanna try and wanna be our fan because of wanna we there here. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Agama vapu Biafra.